What's going on YouTube? This is Trainer Nocturne back with some more Star Trek card collectible game, and as you can see in front of me I have 6 boxes of the Borg. I haven't opened these packs before, so I know it's like my last opening of Mirror. They had rare plus cards in here, and there's actually some cool dual affiliation, I think. Some of the cards are Federation and non-aligned, I think. I'm going to break this up into at least the first box into a smaller opening. I'm just going to open up 3 packs in the first couple videos, or maybe the first box. We'll see how it goes. That way we can see all the cards. And like I said, I haven't opened any of this stuff up yet, so we'll give it a go. Let's see what we get. Try and see where the rare card is. Just see real quick. So it's that one. Okay, so it's the 4th one. So we'll move these ones to the back. So we start off with a comic, Scenari, Hunt Alien, Delaney, Hydrogen Hunt, Churega, Hydrogen Outpost, or Hydrogen Conyric, I guess. Maintenance Overhaul, Hydrogen Outpost, and the rare is 2 of 9. So we have Jetarn, the Hydrogen Hunt, the Artificial Intelligence, Angelo Tassani, Secure Station. Looks like it's quick. It's a common. This is common. Let's see if we can get into focus. I don't think it's going to. I think it's one of the dual affiliation cards. It's got an asterisk by the number. It says 68 asterisk common. So obviously the guy's in Federation, and this is the non-aligned version. Secure Station. Photonic Energy Beam. Veron, Dar, Lewis, Kamak, and 7 of 9. Nice. What is that? Assuming she's going to be a rare plus. Sleeve up 7 of 9. So far 2 Borg as the 2 rares in the pack. And here is pack number 3. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. Just back. Okay, so we have Photonic Energy Being again. Verond, Jetarn, Lagrin, Hydrogen Talon, Harkin, Hydrogen Disruptor, Rifle, Tanar, Established Settlement, Scenarin, And Reginald Borg. Wow, that's the ultra rare. Look at that, 72 ultra rare. Okay, third pack in, first box, and already pulling ultra rare. Talk about these. So I'll end this video on that note. Like I said, I'll probably do like 3 videos and then, or 3 packs in each one, and just for the first box. So rares were 2 of 9, 7 of 9, and the ultra rare Reginald Borg. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment down below. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in my next video.